Welcome to dptutorials. In today's video, we are going to explore how to leverage VLOOKUP to efficiently pick up second and third matched values within our Excel spreadsheets. Imagine you are managing a sales report for your company and you need to retrieve the sales figures for different salespersons. You have the person names listed in one column and their corresponding sales figures in another. Some persons might have multiple entries and you want to retrieve not just the first but also the second and third matches for a particular person. Our salesperson names are listed in cells B5 to B20 and their corresponding sales figures are in the cells C5 to C20. We want to find the second and third matched sales figures for a specific person. Let's say Durga. First, let's find the second matched value. Go to cell G5 and enter the formula as equals to index, open the parenthesis, select the range as C5 to C20 as we would like to fetch the sales values, comma, small, open the parenthesis, if, open the parenthesis, select the range as B5 to B20 equals to, in the inverted quotes, give the condition as Durga, close the inverted quotes, comma, row, open the parenthesis, select the range again B5 to B20, close the parenthesis, minus, row, open the parenthesis and select B5 as the cell, close the parenthesis, plus 1, close the parenthesis, comma, 2, close the parenthesis for the small function and close again parenthesis for the index function. Now, log all the references by pressing F4 on your keyboard. G6 and just change the 2 in the last argument to 3 and press enter to see the result as 3 lakhs. Similarly, you can use the same formula for finding the first matched value as well. Of course, the normal VLOOKUP or index match will fetch the first matched value. And there you have it. By mastering the technique of using VLOOKUP or index match for second and third matched values in Excel, you can significantly enhance your data analysis capabilities. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.